AirTags 1 versus the new AirTags 2. Here are 10 reasons why you should upgrade, 10 of the most important things you should know before buying the new AirTags 2 or maybe buying the previous generation AirTags 1. Okay, so for starters, the design stayed the same. It's exactly the same design. The new AirTags 2 are still powered by a CR302 battery, so that's the same as the first generation AirTag. Then mostly on the inside we have an upgrade, and that is that the AirTags 2 now come obviously with the second generation of ultra wideband chip. This is the same chip found in the new iPhone 17 models, iPhone Air, new Apple Watch models, Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple Watch Series 11. This internal upgrade significantly increases the performance of AirTags, the way to locate things, and that has mostly to do with our third thing, and that is that the precision finding has been significantly improved. So with AirTag 1 you could precision find between 10 and 30 meters, something like that. AirTag 2 is 50% further. So you can find your AirTag with the precision finding feature 50% better. We don't know in real life how that actually looks at, but like 50% more from 10 to 30 meters is around like 15 to 45 meters or maybe 20 to 50 meters, something like that. But it's really nice. If you don't know, precision finding is the feature that allows you to really precisely find an object with your iPhone using Find My or your Apple Watch. You really get this awesome animation. You get this arrow indicating you where you need to go. Together with sound, you also get vibrations and haptics, a really neat feature to locate your items, and this now has significantly been improved with the new AirTags 2. Number 4, the Bluetooth range also has been improved. This has to do with a better and new Bluetooth chip inside of AirTag 2. This chip really expands the range at which you can find items. This probably is also why precision finding is better, but it will also help you with track on bigger and longer distances. Then number 5, maybe one of my favorite, and that is that the speaker inside of AirTag 2 has been improved with 50%. So this is so helpful. You can finally hear AirTag better. Apple says that it results in a 2 times better hearing of AirTag 2 when you are using the sound or the speaker on it. I don't know how they find 2 times, how they measure that, but yeah, 2 times better. The louder speaker is definitely welcoming for such a small device that is often very hidden in our house or around us. Next, number 6, if you travel a lot, share item location is now also available on AirTag 2. Basically means you can share your AirTag 2's location with a trusted party, trusted third party. Normally these are airlines, for example, when you have AirTags on or inside of your luggage, you can then share the location with an airline. More and more airlines are becoming part of this program, but now AirTags 2 also has this, so really great if you travel a lot. Number 7, and this has to do with safety and security. Apple claims that they have improved the privacy and security to a top world level. It's not clear how this exactly plays out, but they're claiming that they are leading the industry with unwanted tracking technology inside of AirTag 2. This means that they have a unique cross-platform alerts that you get on several of your Apple devices, and that they're using unique Bluetooth identifiers that constantly change. So yeah, this has all to do with privacy and security. Number 8, and this is important if you're coming from AirTags 1 and now go to the 2, is that your iPhone needs to run iOS 26.2.1 in order to use AirTags 2. Number 9, and this has to do with Apple's 2030 approach to sustainability, their plans and ambition to become net neutral in 2030, and that is that the new AirTags 2 are more environmental friendly. They're made from more recycled materials. The packaging is 100% recycled. The different components inside of AirTags are more sustainable or recycled. So yeah, that's one of the main differences when it comes to sustainability between the AirTag 1 and the AirTag 2. And lastly, the price. Number 10. Yes, the price has stayed the same. AirTag 2 is priced at $29 US, which is the same as AirTag 1, and you can again buy a 4-pack for $99. So yeah, that's the same price as with the previous generation. Although I do think that right now with the introduction of AirTag 2, AirTag 1 is going to be significantly cheaper. You can get them for several discounts at different retailers. Although Apple won't sell them themselves anymore, you can still get them at third-party resellers at different retailers. But yeah, same price overall. Right guys, so yeah, AirTag 1 versus AirTag 2. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Are you going to upgrade to the new AirTag 2? Excited to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for being here and see you in the next one. Peace.